नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम एजुकेशन न्यूज़। BLIS 225 क्वेश्चन पेपर। वेयर वाज COVID-19 फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड? फ्रॉम वुहान, न्यूयॉर्क। Which of the following is not a symptom of COVID-19? Bleeding from nose, sore throat, loss of taste and smell, fever and dry cough. How do we catch COVID-19? Can people without symptoms transmit COVID-19? Which one of the following prevents the spread of COVID-19? Communication is a part of skills. People cannot interact with each other without communication, transport, voice, loudspeaker. Communication includes tone of the voice, body language, facial expressions, etc. Non-verbal, verbal, letter, notice. When there is similarity of background between the sender and the receiver, such as language, nationality, religion, gender, then this is called context. Social, cultural, physical or demonic. How many of trousers have you got? Items, pairs, sets, times. Do you a uniform at your college? Carry, use, wear, hold. Did see you to meet him today? Invited, call, informed, instructed. In oral communication, the speaker can observe the listener. Reaction, response, rejection, reset. In the listening, the difference between of the sounds is identified. There is the action of or description that occurs in the sentences. Predicated, subject, object or complement. In listening, the main intention is to seek certain information which be fabricated. Is nothing but checking whether we have followed the earlier stage promotingly and effectively. If kindly reviewing, reading, recalling all of the days. Listening means learning through conversation. When speaking on the phone, what type of communication is being used? Verbal and tone of voice, body language, written communication, non-verbal communication. Reading is a process. Encoding, listening, talking, decoding. A portfolio is not sent out like the resume or CV. It is normally taken along at the time of an interview. True, false. Portfolio is not powerful tool for job seekers. False, true. A portfolio can be an important learning tool for students to help them to access their learning and to compare it to what the job in question requires. True, false. Present tense are a way communicating ideas and information to a group. True, false. The experience you wear on your face transmit a great deal of emotions. True, false. It is most important to open telephone call professionally and make the caller feel welcome and try to give an impression that he is an important caller. True, false. A group discussion is an informal discussion involving an invited group participants. True, false. The way in which we express ourselves is our style of communication. True, false. When meeting new people, it is most important to make positive impression them. True, false. To be an effective communicator, it is important to be good listener. True, false. In oral communication, there is a possible end of immediate reply, response, reaction. All of this. Evaluative listening is a hearing is an important component of speaking, listening, talking. None of this. It is important to choose the right environment because it will help the listener focus and avoid hearing is only an important component of hearing, listening, talking, speaking. To be a good communicator, it is important to be a horticulture, good listener, good writer, imperative. Being a good listener help to you develop and mention positive body language, good interpersonal relation, reading habits, affective skills. Contractions are words that have been. Which of the following is not a contraction? Abbreviation is a short form of verb phrase that is usually used to save space in written documents. Examples: non-verbal communication. All of this. A profile should include the following major achievements, skills and components, hobbies and long their goals. All of this. Resume or CV as it called is the most important to when to comes to. Good personality required for job interview also means acquiring. During a telephone conversation, leave the caller on hold. Be courteous. Transfer the calls. Always stay cute. Which of these is not commandment of effective communication? Clarity in language, listen poorly, home communication skills, or educated medium. Before going for presentation, one need to do some homework to find out. In order to achieve effective communication, the presenter must be in order to achieve effective communication, the presenter must be which of this must be avoided in group discussion? Which quality is an enemy in a group discussion? Which of the following is not barrier to effective communication? Sound, listening, interactive. People cannot interact with each other without communication. Transport, voice, loudspeaker. Communication is a non-stop exercise, process, program, plan. The persons who transmits the message: receiver, driver, cleaner, sender. Is the person who notices and decodes and attaches some meaning to a message: receiver, driver, sender, cleaner. The response to a sender a message is called feedback, food, load, transporter, agent. Context refers to the relationship between the sender and the receiver. refers to all the factors that disrupt the communication. Silence, social media, phone noise. Environmental barriers are the same as noise. Physical, social, physiological or physiological. Your dress code is an example for communication. Online, non-verbal, or written or recorded. Communication includes tone of voice, body language, facial expressions, etc. Non-verbal, vocal, notice or email. Letter, email, telephone are the example. Message, feedback, encoding, channels of communication. It is of paramount importance that one needs to construct sentences for effective communication. Warning: correct, night incorrect. Reading comprehension means understanding a text, oral, written, audio useful. The person who transmits the message is called the bearer, sender, taker, receiver. Proper nouns always begin with letters running capital, small or numerical. A communication might be misinterpreted because of barriers, distortions, noise. Facial expressions are the part of written language, body language, verbal communication, non-effective communication. How can a person of correctly communicated spelling, text message, email, all of this? The language of report should फॉर्मल और कैजुअल लॉस। दोस्तों आप कमेंट बॉक्स में इसका आंसर ज़रूर दें।